Why would you want a greenhouse within a greenhouse? So I made a greenhouse within a greenhouse. Why would I do that? Well, we don't have the wood stove in the greenhouse yet, and I want to start seedlings. It stays warm in the greenhouse, but not quite warm enough for cucumbers, tomatoes, and vegetables like that. By putting a temperature-controlled greenhouse within a greenhouse, I have been able to begin my seeds so they will be ready to put into the ground as soon as the temperature gets warmer. If you want to do this yourself, you will need a shelf, greenhouse plastic, Velcro, magnets, a reflective emergency blanket, and a thermostat greenhouse heater. What I did was assemble the shelf and wrap plastic around the sides. Of course, the top is completely sealed in as well. The wood you see behind the shelf is the actual greenhouse. On the bottom, I have put down the reflective emergency blanket. This will help hold warm air in and reflect any sunshine upwards. Under the blanket, I have a yoga mat and cardboard to protect the bottom shelf from the bare greenhouse floor. I put Velcro all around the top and bottom to give it a complete seal, and on the flaps on the front. These are the doors. When the doors come together, the Velcro attaches firmly to give everything a good seal. Here is the thermostat. I have it set at 72 degrees. When it gets cold enough at night, it kicks on and brings it back to 72 degrees. Here is the actual heater. I, of course, have it setting away from any plants to prevent a fire. I have only had this a few weeks and I am very pleased with it. It has enabled me to have my own nursery. I have been able to start lots of seeds. I open the doors up in the mornings, use the magnets to hold the door flaps open, and close it back up again before nightfall. Have you done anything like this? What setup have you used? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.